What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how you can restore plastic headlights. As you can see, this one is hazed up and have seen better days. The blinker looks okay, it's just the headlight right here, it's oxidized and faded and it hinders visibility during the night when you use the lights. So I will show you how you can restore these in a very quick way and with basic stuff that you must have in your garage or tools. And we're only going to be using sandpaper 800 grit, and I'm going to be using the Meguiar's polishing compound, and I'll show you all the stuff that we're going to use. First thing we want to do is pop the hood so we can protect this edge, and then we're going to be masking all around so we can protect the surrounding, and then we're gonna be sanding this headlight. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna clean the headlight. This is just plain water. I'm gonna be cleaning the headlight like so with a clean microfiber towel. Okay, now I'm gonna mask around. Okay, so now we're gonna start sanding the headlight. So what you want to do is you want to sand until some yellow, the oxidation and all that's gonna be kind of yellow liquid coming off the headlight. You're gonna keep on sanding and keep on cleaning until no more of that stuff keeps coming. I'll show you in a second. So we're gonna spray water. Don't be afraid to spray as much as you need. We're gonna spray the sanding paper. This is 800 grit. You can use 1000 or 1500, and we're gonna start sanding. Okay, so this is the yellow stuff that I was showing you. So this is the yellow, kind of yellow stuff that come off the headlight. So what you want to do, you want to keep on sanding, keep on cleaning until no more of this stuff comes off. Okay. Okay, so at this point it is very nice and clean. So when we dry it now, it's gonna give us that one layer hazy look that we're looking for. So I'm gonna dry it out. So okay, so now that it's dry, it looks hazy and it looks like it's one layer. So that's what we're looking for at this point before we apply the polish. So we give it that one final clear look for the lens. So right now I'm gonna apply the polish. What I have here is the Ultimate Compound from Meguiar's. This works very well, and I'm gonna apply it with the dry side of my microfiber towel. Okay, so I have the Meguiar here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put some in the headlight like this. Like so. And I'm gonna put some on my microfiber towel. Okay, now I'm gonna rub it into the lens very carefully in a circular motion. This step's gonna take a little while. Now I'm just buffing it off with the dry side of the towel. And check this out. it is done. You can see the inside, see how clear that is. It is very clear, very nice. So this is the after, the other headlight. This is the before. See how hazy that is? See, it's oxidized and hazy. This one, very nice, very clear, very bright. This is the after. This is the before. Now all you have to do is just remove the tape from around the headlight and throw it in the trash and you're done. Alright guys, so everything we needed to restore this headlight to this shape, nice and clear, is a microfiber towel, a sanding paper. This is a 800 grit. You can use 1000 or 1500. It may take a little longer, but this works just fine. A masking tape and the ultimate compound from Meguiar's. We didn't need any kits or any expensive tools or power tools. This is just plain water to lubricate while sanding, and I believe the results were amazing. Hopefully this helps you out when restoring your headlights. I always try to come up with some simple ways to do things that people make it complicated, so hopefully this is one of them. If this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and leave a like, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.